Kevin and Carmela, kailangan nyo ng vision sa inyong marriage. Kailangan nyo ng pattern sa inyong marriage. Kailangan ikaw, Kevin, may vision ka para sa iyong mapapangasawa. At ikaw naman, Carmela, meron ka rin vision para kay Kevin at sa inyong magiging pamilya.
Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. The conversations in my mind are starting to rewind, yeah, they go like la 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 la. They go like la 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 la.
Family ka na, siyempre kailangan, okay ka na, pagbutihan mo.
Okay naman.
Kasi ngayon pa lang magsisimula ang buhay mo. Buhay may asawa.
Oo naman. Naiintindihan ko naman. Thank you sa support and sa love.
Up all night.
Forever love and happiness, both of you, together. At yung banding nyo sa church every Sunday.
Carmela, ikaw, alam mo na, bilang iyak ako
Yeah, they go like la 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 la. They go like la la la. Time is keeping me up all night. I try to let it go, I don't know why. The conversations in my mind are starting to rewind, yeah, they go like la 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 la. They go like la la la.
Bakit ang tunay na pagmamahal na ino-offer ng Panginoon ay hindi selfish love, hindi self-seeking love, kundi selfless love. Pagmamahal na hindi iniisip ang kanyang sarili, kundi pagmamahal na iniisip ang kapakanan ng kanyang kapwa or at this point, ng inyong asawa.
How long have we been taking off and landing? Has it been 9 months or 9 years? There's no comprehending. Our time is timeless, no matter what we do. It's true, I wanna be with you. Your hand on my hand feels like the beginning. And unlike the others, I've always been willing.
Carmela, congratulations sa'yo.
Mommy, Daddy, thank you po sa support and love that you gave us po. Ayun. I love you po.
Wanna be with you. In the morning you make coffee as the light fills in the day. These simple things together. No question where our hearts meet. Let's take it all the way.
Feeling ko, naging sakit ako ng ulo sa inyo. Pero kahit ganun yung nangyari, hindi kayo nawala sa life ko, sa buhay ko, kung paano kayo nyo ako sinuportahan at minahal. So walang magpasalamat sa harap ng mga kaibigan ko, kaibigan nyo, pamilya natin. Na-appreciate ko yung pag-aalaga at pagmamahal nyo sa akin. Hindi ko man siya laging nasasabi. Ngayong araw na to, gusto kong sabihin, Mami, Daddy, mahal na mahal ko kayo. At yung kapatid ko, mahal na mahal ko din.
Our time is timeless, no matter what we do. What we have is priceless, nothing but gratitude. I wanna be with you.
naniniwala ako na ang tunay na standard ng maganda, matatag at sustainable na relationship ay yung relationship na ibinahagi sa atin ng ating Panginoon. The Word of God should be the standard of every human relationship.
Daddy, Mommy, second dad din, Ma'am. Thank you po sa sinabi po ni Carmela. Thank you for the love, support. From the start, sobrang ganda na po ng pinakita nyo sa akin. Wala po kayong masamang pinakita. So, nirerespeto ko po yun. Dadali ko po yun habang buhay. So, as sign of respect din po, sa abot na aking makakaya, aalagaan ko po yung anak nyo kung paano nyo po inalagaan. Kung magkamali po ako, lapitan nyo po ako. Feeling po ako makinig.
Mommy, Daddy, thank you rin po sa love and support din po. Simula po nung day 1 hanggang ngayon po. And sa mga susunod po pong araw. Mahal ko po kayo.
Take Carmela to be your wife. Do you promise to be faithful to her in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love her and to honor her all the days of your life?
I do, Pastor.
Flower in the bloom. Meet me in the springtime. In the early days of June. I'll be living in the moonlight. 'Cause I remember what it meant to know nothing of regret. I'll take a little time to find my own farmland. In an open space, I find my way, and I love you every day, love.
Carmela, do you take Kevin to be your husband? Do you promise to be faithful to him in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, to love him and to honor him all the days of your life?
Yes, I
Suggestion ko sa inyong dalawa, run to good people, yung mga tao na makakatulong sa inyo. Yung magbibigay sa inyo ng hindi lang practical kundi biblical advice. Mga tao na magbibigay sa inyo ng wise counsel para ang inyong pagsasama ay manatili hanggang wakas.
To know nothing of regret. I'll take a little time to find my own farmland. In an open space, I find my way, and I love you every day, love. Call it everyday love. Everyday love. Call it everyday love. I remember what it meant to know nothing.
I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Kevin and Carmela Hernandez. Let's give them a round of applause. So Kevin, you may now kiss your wife.